When you find a good title person, use them on every deal you possibly can. It's almost like they work on your team. They are so important for your deals, especially when it comes to earnest money.
How do you go about finding like a title company?
What I would do, are you in any Facebook groups?
Yeah, I'm in a couple, yeah.
So I would go into like a local wholesaling group for Jersey.
Okay.
First of all, join as many as you can.
Yeah.
Join every single Jersey Facebook wholesaling investing group you can and ask, what are some investor-friendly title companies that are good with double closes and assignments?
Okay.
And bet them that way. That would be the first thing that I would do.
Yeah.
If that doesn't work, then I would call 5 and I would bet them. And I would say, hey, look, I'm a wholesaler. I'm looking to buy some properties. I want to have a good title company that understands assignments and double closes, and see if they're kind of like, yeah, whatever, and you can scratch them off your list. Or if they're like, oh, yeah, we do those all the time, and you like what they're telling you, and then maybe you try them out. The reality of it is, whether you find a referral off of Facebook or you call a few or you do both, it might take you 2 or 3 title companies before you find somebody who's really good. But I can tell you, when I got in this business in 2009, I was referred to a title lady that was awesome. And I used her for 6 years until she got out of the business. And I was loyal. I wouldn't go anywhere else because she was good. And when she got out of the business, there was about 2 years where I used 2 different title ladies, and they were both like, okay. And then I was referred to another one in 2017, who I've now used on every single transaction for 3 years. My point being, when you find a good title rep, use them on every deal that you possibly can, because it's almost like they work on your team. Like, they are so important for your deals. So finding somebody that's good is really important. But in the beginning, you're just going to have to kind of, do your best for referrals, do your best research, and try a couple out until you find one that's good. But I've had title companies come to me like, we'll pay for your marketing, we'll do this, blah, 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 trying to get my business. And I'm like, no, at the end of the day, Danielle, she's getting every single one of my files, because there ain't nobody that's going to do it as good as her.
That's because I would watch some of your videos, and I would see that as soon as you get a contract signed, you would already have it at the title company.
Oh, yeah. I mean, we get it right in. Like, when I get an assignment, so as soon as I sign an assignment, typically we'll give our buyers like hours to get earnest money in. Mm-hmm. And I have the buyer sign it first. Okay. When they send it, then I give them 15 minutes to send it back to me. And I tell them, if you can't get it back to me within 15 minutes, call me, right? If you have any questions, concerns, and let's address it. If not, I might have somebody else, because I've got tons of people calling me on this house right now, and I'm not going to wait forever. If somebody else says they want it and I haven't heard from you, I'm going to make the deal with them. So then as soon as they send it back to me, I immediately sign it and I send it back to them, and I CC my title lady. My title lady automatically will respond, usually within 20 minutes, unless she's in an appointment, and she's right on top of it. Like, hey, how would you like us to coordinate your earnest money? Can we come pick it up? Like, she's all about it.
Yeah.
She understands what I'm doing and what's going on and how important getting that in is.
If you're getting something out of this, please hit that little like button down there. Then on the other side, click subscribe, and next to it, tap that little bell, and you're going to get notifications every time we drop a new episode. Also, let me know in the comments what market you're in, and leave the word in all caps, committed, and let's do this together.